Hi, MAST family. My name is Eileen Hatcher-Sitar, and I'm an assistant principal here at MAST High School. I wanted to share with you today a new system that we're using in order to collect important information and parent forms electronically called Operoo, formerly known as CareMonkey. I just want to go through the motions as to what you need to do in order to activate the forms that we'll be sending you soon. So I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see. So once you've received a form from us, you will have to go into the actual form and click sign in. You're going to get an activation form if you've never used our system before, and it will give you a username and a temporary password, which you'll be asked to change once you actually get into the system. So it will look something like this, except it will say Operoo on it now. So as you can see, you get a username and password, and you're just able to sign in using those credentials. If you've already been in the system and you just don't remember how to get in, you can click forgot password if you know your username, or you can click resend confirmation email, and this will send you all your credentials again, similar to this email here where it gives you your username and password. Okay, so once you've been given that information once again, and once you're able to get into the system, you'll be able to click onto the different forms that we're sending. For example, you'll be getting access to emergency medical forms that you would normally have to fill out in the school and hand into the pupil personnel secretary. That will be sent to you all electronically, and you'll accurately fill that out, and we'll have that in our system. You'll receive a media consent form. As you know, we love to do things with technology and things on our website, so that is also something that you can fill out, and we can keep that in our database. And the new Chancellor's COVID-19 testing form will also be sent to you. Again, it's all done electronically for your convenience. It's easy to fill out. And if you have any questions or concern, you can always call the school and we'll help you out. Let me show you what that looks like. You'll get an email from an Operoo administrator. Once you go into your emails, you'll see that it's from our school. It'll tell you the title of the form that we need you to fill out. It'll give you your student's name, and you just simply click on respond now. Once you're in the system and you're ready to respond, it will give you all of the questions that you would normally see on a hard copy form. In the description, it also gives you the information for who you might call or contact if you have any questions or concerns. So in this case, it's Ms. Andrews at sandrews2@schools.nyc.gov, and it has her phone number and extension here. So you fill out these forms. As you can see, anything with a red asterisk is a required question. This is exactly like how you would fill out a blue card at school. And then at the end, you simply submit your response, and we begin to collect all your information. So I hope that you find this easy. I hope that you're able to do so quickly, because we do need this information. We really appreciate your time and effort, and we're always here to help you. So please give us a call if you need anything. Thank you so much. You can also check our website, www.masths.org. Have an amazing day.